it ranges from 29 to 60 square meters. Actually, very workable itong area size ni Goldilocks, no, rent-wise. Kasi kung magre-rent kayo, usually, ang sa isang average mall, hindi naman natin kasi talaga alam kung nagva-vary kasi ang rate ng kada mall, SM, Ayala, ganyan. So, usually, ang rent sa isang 29 to 60 square meters, it usually ranges from 500 to 700 pesos per square meters, no? So, hindi na masama. Hindi na siya ganun masama. And also, dahil nga 29 to 60 square meters lang siya, ang ibig sabihin lang din nito is yung construction cost nyo is hindi din ganun kalaki. Okay, again, kung gusto nyong pure bakery lang, 29 square meters or maybe hanggang 40 square meters will be enough na, no? If you want to have your dine-in, 60 meters yung maximum na range ni Goldilocks. But I think if you have your own lot, if you have your own place na mas malaki siya sa 60, I think this is very, very workable pa rin na you can show your plan, show your location kay Goldilocks, and definitely you can work out a plan on how to properly maximize your bigger area size. Okay, so ang franchise term natin is 5 years. Okay, so sa isang franchise fee na 250,000 VAT exclusive, 5-year contract na agad siya, which is very okay, no? Kasi some of the franchises ngayon usually mga 2 years, 3 years, tapos after that initial contract, nagpapabayad na sila ng another franchise fee. Pero hindi lahat, but some of them nagpapabayad ng a new or maybe a discounted franchise fee for another set of renewal or another set cycle ng contract. Pero at least ito si Goldilocks